Have you been pressing Win+V to access your clipboard history, only to find it's not displaying your copied text? This issue can occur due to settings, conflicts, glitches, or corrupted data. Don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through 5 proven methods to resolve this problem and get your clipboard history working seamlessly again. Method 1. Toggle Clipboard History. This method targets potential conflicts in your clipboard settings, especially after Windows updates. Open Settings, navigate to System, and select Clipboard. Toggle the Clipboard History option off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Sometimes clipboard issues are caused by temporary glitches in the system's interface. Restarting Windows Explorer can help fix this. Right-click on Taskbar, open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list of processes, select it, and click Restart. This refreshes the entire user interface, clearing any temporary bugs that may prevent the clipboard history from displaying. Method 3. Enable Clipboard History via Group Policy Editor. If the problem persists, it might be due to the clipboard history setting being disabled at a system level. Let's check and fix that using the Group Policy Editor. Press Win+R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter to open the Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then System, then OS Policies. Double-click Allow Clipboard History, select Enabled, then click Apply and OK. This step ensures clipboard history is explicitly enabled, especially if a system policy or an IT admin configuration disabled it. Method 4. Enable Clipboard History via Registry Editor. If you don't have access to the Group Policy Editor, you can achieve the same result through the Registry Editor. Search Registry Editor and open it. Copy the path given in description and paste here to navigate this folder. Right-click in the empty place. Select New, then DORD 32-bit value, and name it Allow Clipboard History. Double-click the new key, set its value to 1, and click OK. Restart your computer. This approach directly modifies your system's configuration, overriding restrictions that might be causing the clipboard history issue. Method 5. Clear clipboard data. Corrupted data in the clipboard can sometimes block the feature from functioning properly. Clearing the clipboard data gives the system a clean slate. Open Settings, navigate to System, and select Clipboard. Under Clear Clipboard Data, click the Clear button. This removes any lingering or corrupt items in the clipboard, ensuring no conflicts occur when you try to access the history. Outro. And there you have it. 5 reliable solutions to fix the Win+V clipboard history issue. Each method addresses a specific potential cause, from system glitches to policy restrictions. Try these steps, and your clipboard history should be back to normal in no time. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.